Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Government to issue FATWA for government servants. Those who have got jobs by submitting bogus documents either resign or take VRS. Cabinet decision on Tuesday. Truck owners demanding assistance of 50,000 rupees per truck owner. Goa Mining People's Front meets Chief Minister. Truck owners expecting waive off on road tax too. Goa Mining buffer zone case likely for hearing on Friday. Goa's mining petition may come before the new bench on 18 January. New forest bench formed. First-hand experience of helpline 1091. Police response satisfactory to distress call made by our reporter. Helpline needs more boosting, logistical upgradation. And East Bengal on track to rediscover glory days. Coach Trevor Morgan says Denko and Churchill will be major rivals for I-League title. And now the news in detail. Government servants are under scanner. Government is expected to come out with a decision that government servants who have secured government jobs submitting false documents will have to either resign or take VRS within 60 days. If they are found guilty after 60-day period, government will initiate criminal action against the culprits. Cabinet meet that is scheduled on Tuesday is expected to decide on this matter.
Cabinet meet is scheduled on Tuesday. Cabinet has proposed one of the major points regarding government servants in its agenda. Proposal says servants who have secured government employment on the basis of false confirmatory documentary evidence regarding date of birth should submit the factual position within 60 days from the date of issue of the circular. Competent authority may advise them either to resign from the government employment or take VRS. After expiry of 60 days, if any fraud irregularities are detected, government will initiate appropriate disciplinary and criminal proceedings against such government servants. Sources say that government has learned many of such cases during the tenure of last government, and as such, government employees will have to quit services. This move is also seen as an attempt of the government to reduce its staff strength. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Khadi.
Truck owners are demanding assistance of 50,000 rupees per truck owner. Goa Mining People's Front met Chief Minister on Monday and placed their demands before him. They have asked CM to transfer the loans to the EDC. Truck owners are expecting a waive off on road tax too. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to disclose the final draft of the package after 21st January.
आम्ही आयिल्ले आमची पॅकेज जे कितें आसा तें कितें केलां काय म्हणून विचारपाक आयिल्ले. इतली प्रॉब्लेम जाला की लोक मरणाची परिस्थिती आयला, लोक जीव दिवपाची परिस्थिती आयला सगळ्याचेर. आमी सीएमा कडेन दिला 50,000 पर मंथ आमकां दिवचो म्हणून एकल्याक पर ट्रक म्हणून. एक कडेन 4 आसा 2 आसा तशी आसा न्ही. जीएला अंडर जे ट्रक रजिस्टर जाल्यात तातूंत भितर ट्रक ड्रायव्हर जे आसात तांचे गोंयचे ड्रायव्हरां तांचे लायसन्सीस लायल्यात आनी तांकां दे वील बी ऑल्सो कवर्ड अंडर दीस. एज ऑफ नाव वी वर गिविंग 12,000 पर मंथ ड्रायव्हरांक दिताले. सो आमी त्या प्रमाणेच मागल्या. सरकारान आमचे ट्रक जे आसात ते EDC अंडर करचे आनी लोन जे आसा ट्रक किंवा मशिनरीचे लोन आसा ते सगळे EDC अंडर घेवचे आनी आमकां मागीर मायनिंग चालू जातकीच ताजी रिपेमेंट करपाक दिवचे म्हणून. रोड टॅक्स आसात आतां फाटली 2 म्हयने आमी चलयल्या गाडी ते आमकां ट्रक लोन हें जें आसा कितें टॅक्स आसा तेंय आमकां माफ करचे म्हणून.
पॅकेजीस ताणें सांगलां आमकां 21 तारखे नंतर आपूण तुमकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिता आनी ताजे नंतर एक मिटींग घेया आनी तेन्ना आमकां तो फूल स्ट्रक्चर दिता म्हणलां आमकां. म्हळ्यार हाव वी वॉन्ट्स टू गो अबाउट इट बिकॉज ही हॅज टू मेक दॅट प्रोविजन इन द बजेट ऑल्सो.
Goa mining buffer zone case is likely to come for hearing on Friday 11 January. Sources from Delhi say that green bench hearing the environment related matters has changed. New bench comprising of Justice Aftab Alim, Justice Radha Krishnan and Justice Ranjan Gogoi will hear the mining matter now. Goa's mining petition is expected to come before the new bench on 18 January.
At present, there are two petitions regarding Goa mining pending hearing before the Supreme Court. One petition is regarding mining buffer zone near reserved wildlife sanctuary area and second petition is by Goa Foundation regarding alleged illegal mining in the state. Supreme Court's Green Bench hears the environmental matters on Friday. Earlier, the case was heard by three-member bench of Justice Aftab Alam, Justice Radha Krishnan and Justice Swatantra Kumar. Sources say now the bench has been changed. Justice Swatantra Kumar has been replaced by Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Sources say that both the petitions related to mining would come for hearing on 11th and 18th January. On 11 January, Karnataka mining, Goa mining buffer zone and Orissa mining petitions are expected to come for hearing. However, Goa Foundation's petition against alleged illegal mining may come up for hearing on 18 January. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.